In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create Airtable reports. We'll be using Airtable's interface builder to set this up, and the process is very quick once you know where to click. If you want a clean, easy-to-view report inside your base, this is a simple way to get started. First, open your Airtable base and look at the top navigation area. You should see options like data, automations, and forms. From there, click on Interface. This is where Airtable lets you create custom layouts and views that are more polished and presentation friendly than a standard table, which makes it a great place to build reports. Once you're in the Interfaces area, click on New Interface. This starts the setup process for creating a brand new interface from scratch or from a suggested format. If this is your first time using it, don't worry, the setup is guided and very beginner friendly. Next, when prompted to name the interface, type in report. Giving it a clear name like this makes it easier to recognize later, especially if your base ends up containing multiple interfaces for different purposes. Keeping names simple and descriptive is always a good habit in Airtable. After that, click on Next. This moves you into the next part of the setup, where Airtable will ask you to choose from available options for how the interface should be structured. The exact layout may vary slightly depending on your workspace, but the flow remains the same. Now, make your selection. At this stage, choose the option shown in your setup screen for the report you want to create. This choice determines the starting structure of the interface, so just select the relevant option and continue. If you're following along visually, this is the point where you'll want to match the selection shown on screen. Then click on Next again. This confirms your selection and moves you to the final step of the setup process. Airtable is essentially preparing the interface based on the name and structure you've chosen. Finally, click on Finish. Airtable will create the new report interface for you, and from there you can begin reviewing or customizing it inside your base. And that's it, you've successfully created an Airtable report interface. Even though the setup only takes a few clicks, it's a useful feature for organizing information in a more professional and readable format. If you're building internal dashboards, summaries, or shareable views for your team, this is a great starting point.